Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. In today's video, I want to make something with this fabric that I got from Amazon. I don't exactly know what I'm going to make with it, but I have an idea like of what I want to make. I think. I'm not really sure. I got this mesh material. So pretty. I already pinned it up and everything. And I have this black bodysuit. Not bodysuit. What do you call it? I don't remember the name of it. But I got this. And I also have this thing right here. I think I'm gonna use this like as a cover-up. Something like that. So what I'm gonna start doing is sew this mesh thing on top of this, and we can go from there, so I can get an idea of what I want, or if it's gonna look good or not. Yep. So I tried on this shapewear bodycon dress, and it fit like right above my knee, so I know that I'm gonna have a little left over, so I can push up this thing up some more so it can go exactly on the bra, not the bra but the boobs area, because that was what I was worried about. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna have to start sewing it on. I'm gonna have to take off the straps because they're not gonna match. But that's it. I have some of these extra stuff that I can just sew up in the middle when I cut off the mesh. But that's it. I'm just gonna start sewing on. When I'm finished, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking so far.